Wagwan everybody, welcome to Country Boy Kitchen. It's your girl TT and I'm back again for another episode. Today I'll be making Jamaican style stew peas, alright? Remember, thumbs up for stew peas, like, subscribe, follow me. Boom. Alright guys, so a lot of people when you're making stew peas, they use salt beef and they use pig's tail. We're burning on pig's tail right now. So I use chicken foot and turkey neck, alright? And remember to cut off the nails of the chicken feet, alright? Or nobody gonna prepare no food with no nails on it. Just cut them off. Alright, you can check in this part here. Sometimes it has a little black spot there that you need to cut off. These are pretty nice. They're nice and clean. We got them from food, I think Fine Fair. Alright guys, so I'm gonna clean my turkey neck. Cleaning your meat is very important. Try to get off all the excess fat if there's any. And see? I've seen people bought meat and they take it out the pack, they don't even wash it and they just start cooking. Cleaning the meat is very, very important, okay guys? Remember now, clean on the meat! See? Just these little skin and stuff. If you scrape it and it move, take it off. Alright guys, remember, wash your meat with either vinegar, lemon or lime. I'm just using a little tip to wash my meat. Just enough to get rid of some of the rawness, and if there's like slime and stuff on it, get rid of it. And just rinse your meat one more time. And that's it. Alright guys, we're gonna put this in the pot. So I have 1 cup of red kidney beans. I think a cup and a half kidney beans. And I add 7 cups of water. And I let it boil with some onion, garlic. I put bay leaf in there and I put some salt. I like when my peas cook with all this, it gives it the flavor. It's more flavorful. And I'm gonna add my meat in. The water is hot already. Some people put their meat in the cold water with the beans. I do that sometime too. It depends on how I'm feeling. But I feel like this peas is really hard. So I decided to start cooking it before I finish cleaning the meat. And you just leave it and let it cook. And you're gonna see me back in about an hour and a half. Alright? Alright guys. I switch pot. Remember I mentioned that sometimes the peas is too tough. So in this case, this piece was a little bit too tough. So I had to take out my meat, put them in this pot. And then what I did, I let the peas cook some more. And after the peas finished cooking, I poured everything back in one. I'm taking out my bay leaves, okay? All right, that's it. So look, I'm gonna add my seasoning. This is onion again, garlic, scallion, and thyme. I'm gonna add it in here and let it cook. I add salt earlier and a whole lot of garlic and pepper, so it was already flavorful. And I have my coconut milk. I'm going to open it and pour it in. Of course, you can make a coconut milk. You can make your own juice, grate your own coconut, but I don't have the luxury tonight to do that. And I'm gonna let it cook. It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this right now. It smells amazing. All right, I'm gonna let this steep a little. I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit more, and I'm gonna add some. All right, guys, so I'm gonna add some garlic powder. You can season to taste, right? So I'm gonna add some garlic powder. I have my red hot pepper, not too much, and of course my favorite, you guys know I love Maggi seasoning, so just a pinch. And if you know, if you remember, I add salt earlier, right? And that's it. I'm gonna let it stay right here and simmer. All right, guys, that's it.
Sure. You get my food. That's fine, I'll cut off.
This is the finished product. Stew peas made from chicken foot and turkey neck, all right? Yes, it tastes so good. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys were here to taste it. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty and it is so yummy. As a housewife, everybody should know how to make stew peas, all right? Yeah. All right, guys, remember now to like, subscribe, comment, all right? See you next time. Boom.